Welcome to Techie Dialogue, where today we're showing you how to fix Iostore signature error in Fortnite, and I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it quickly. In this video, you'll learn simple methods to remove the error and get Fortnite running smoothly again. Step 1. Start by closing all Epic Games-related processes on your PC. Open Task Manager and check for any running Epic Games Store or launcher applications, then click each one and select End Task. This ensures no background processes interfere with the game, and the error doesn't persist. Step 2. Navigate to your Fortnite installation folder using File Explorer, then open the Content folder followed by the Packs folder. Delete all files ranging from 1 KB to under 2000 KB, because these smaller corrupted files are often the cause of the Iostore signature error. Step 3. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, and locate Fortnite. Click the 3 dots next to the game and select Verify from the menu. This process checks all game files for corruption or missing data and automatically fixes any issues that could trigger the Iostore error. Step 4. Wait patiently while the verification completes, as this may take a few minutes depending on your system. Do not close the launcher during this process, because interrupting it can prevent files from repairing correctly. Once finished, the launcher will confirm that all files are verified and ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful guides.